Hello, beautiful soul. This is Nova, and I want to thank you for showing up for yourself today. In this practice, we are focusing on cultivating calm, softening the body, releasing tension, and allowing peace to flow through you. This is your time to let go of stress and invite ease. Take a moment to settle into your posture. Allow your spine to be tall but relaxed, your shoulders soft, and your hands resting gently in your lap or by your sides. When you're ready, close your eyes. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it at first. Simply watch the gentle rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Feel the release. Again, inhale deeply and exhale with a soft sigh. Let your body know it's safe to relax. One more time. Breathing in and sighing out. With each breath, imagine tension melting away. Your body is softening. Your mind is slowing, and your heart is settling into peace. Now begin to picture a wave of calm gently flowing over you. With your inhale, see this calm beginning at the crown of your head. With your exhale, feel it washing slowly down through your face, your neck, your shoulders. Another inhale, and the calm wave continues, flowing through your arms, down into your hands and fingertips. Breathe in and let the calm flow into your chest, your back, your stomach. Breathe out and release any tightness, any heaviness. Keep following this wave as it moves through your hips, your legs, and all the way down into your feet, grounding you in the present moment. Your entire body is now bathed in calm, like you're floating in a gentle current, supported and at ease. As you rest in this feeling, let these affirmations guide you deeper into peace. Repeat them silently in your mind or softly out loud. Let's repeat them 3 times to remain present in this moment. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. Take a breath. I am releasing. I am releasing. I am releasing. Take another breath. I am peace. I am peace. I am peace. Allow these words to sink into your body, your mind, and your spirit. For the next few moments, simply sit in the quiet. No effort, no control, just resting in the calm that you've created. Begin to deepen your breath. Notice how your body feels now compared to when you began. Carry this calm with you, remembering it's always just one breath away. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing movement back. Gently open your eyes and thank you for sharing this time with me. May you move through the rest of your day with ease and peace. Namaste.